students to my channel, that is Anurag Classes. Today I am going to discuss compound angle in trigonometry. First of all, in this topic compound angle, you have to remember these formulas. You have to note the formulas. I recommend you to take the screenshot of the formulas, or if you can note it, then please note down, or you can remember the formula by the help of any books. But these are the formulas you have to remember that. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. You can remember very easily. See these two pairs, sin A plus B and sin A minus B. The difference is only of sign. For A plus B it is plus, and for A minus B it is minus. And the pair like sin cos cos sin. But while remembering the formula of cos, you can check that in cos A plus B and cos A minus B, firstly both are cos A cos B, then sin A sin B. So you have to notice the difference. In sin you have to take sin cos cos sin, and in cos you have to take cos cos and sin sin. Sin, if it is positive, then you have to take here negative, and in cos, if it is negative, then you have to take it positive. So very easily, if you search it or if you observe the formula, you can remember it. Similarly, this is the formula for tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, and this is the tan A minus B. If you remember it, it can be remembered easily because there is the difference in signs only. Similarly, cot A plus B and cot A minus B got these types of formula with the difference of plus and minus sign. So hoping you have noted down the formula. So please move to some further result depending upon these formulas. I am going to show you some important results based upon these formulas. Number 1, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, it will be 2 sin A cos B sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, it will be 2 cos A sin B. Number 3, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B will be 2 cos A cos B. Number 4, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. You can check the proofs of these formulas very easily by putting the value of sin A plus B and sin A minus B. You can see that it is 2 cos A sin B. Next, come to the fifth formula, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This gives the result sin square A minus sin square B. This is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. And the sixth one is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. It will be cos square A minus sin square B and cos square B minus sin square. So these important results are based upon the formulas of compound angles, but all the results are very important. So I suggest you that in going to all the formulas, prove yourself these formulas. Now see some more results. See here, what happens if we put C for A plus B? Let A plus B is equal to C and a minus b is equal to d, then very easily you can conclude that a is equal to c plus d by 2 and b will be c minus d by 2. तो दोस्तों ये जो फॉर्मूलाज है ये कंपाउंड एंगल के फॉर्मूलाज को पुट करके आप आसानी से चेक कर सकते हो ये रिजल्ट। अब अगर इस फॉर्मूलाज में हम a प्लस बी की जगह c और a माइनस बी की जगह d रखें तो ये दोनों को सॉल्व करके a का वैल्यू c प्लस डी बाई 2 और b का वैल्यू c माइनस डी बाई 2 आता है। तो अब अगर a और b को c और d के फॉर्म में चेंज करें तो ये 1 2 3 4 ये चारों फॉर्मूला एक नए फॉर्मेट में आ जाएगा। आइए देखते हैं वो क्या फॉर्मेट है। मैंने नीचे के दो फॉर्मूलाज मिटा दिए, ऊपर के चारों रहने दिए हैं। और इन चारों फॉर्मूलाज में मैं पुट करने जा रहा हूं। जैसे इक्वेशन फर्स्ट क्या बन जाएगा, साइन a प्लस बी, a प्लस बी की जगह c प्लस साइन a माइनस b के लिए d, तो इट टेक्स द फॉर्म ऑफ साइन c प्लस साइन d इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन a and the value of a is c plus d by 2 cos b, so cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, this second formula can be transformed as sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into into sin c minus d by 2. The third will be cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And the fourth will be cos d minus cos c is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So students, I think you have remembered all these formulas or you have understood the formulas. So please note down all the formulas to move further in trigonometry. Okay, now I am going to show you some examples, some very easy examples based upon the formulas of compound angle. So see with me. By using the formulas shown here, you can easily find the values of trigonometric ratios if angles are multiples of 15 degree. For example, I am taking sine 15 degree. See here, you can write sine 15 as sine 45 minus 30. It will take the form sine a minus b, and the formula for sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So it will be 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, and that will be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the formula of sine 15 degree. We have calculated the value of sine 15 degree by using the formula of sine a minus b. Let us take another example. Suppose I am going to find tan 105 degree. So can we write tan 105 as tan 60 plus 45? Now it takes the form of tan a plus b. So we are going to apply the formulas of tan A plus B, that is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Value of tan 60 root 3, tan 45 1 minus root 3 into 1, it will be root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Student, this is the value of tan 105, but if you want, then you can rationalize the denominator like root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. Very easily, the numerator is root 3 plus 1 ka whole square, so a square plus b square plus 2ab, and denominator is a minus b into a plus b, so a square minus b square. It will be 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2, and 2 is common, so finally the value of tan 105 degree will be 2 plus root 3. So I think you have understood these two examples. Let us move to some another examples. So student, let us take one more example. Prove that tan 8 theta minus tan 6 theta minus tan 2 theta is equal to tan 8 theta into tan 6 theta into tan 2 theta. So how to solve these questions? Very easily, by seeing the different angles, you can check that these three angles are combination of one another, as 8 theta can be written as 6 theta plus 2 theta, or 6 theta can be written as 8 theta minus 2 theta, or 2 theta can be written as 8 theta minus 6 theta. So you can choose any option. I am taking 8 theta is equal to 6 theta plus 2 theta. So applying tan, it takes the form tan 8 theta is equal to tan 6 theta plus 2 theta, and now it is of the form tan A plus B, so it will be tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now by cross multiplication, tan 8 theta into 1, tan 8 theta minus tan 8 theta into tan 6 theta into tan 2 theta is equal to tan 6 theta plus tan 2 theta. This implies tan 8 theta, move these two terms to the left side, then it becomes tan 8 theta minus tan 6 theta minus tan 2 theta is equal to, move this term to right hand side, then it becomes plus tan 8 theta into tan 6 theta into tan 2 theta. So this is the required result. Okay. So I think you have understood the topic. Now I am going to solve one more example for you. Let us move towards one more example. That is, prove that cos 18 degree minus sin 18 degree is equal to root 2 sin 27 degree. See the LHS. It is cos 18 degree minus sin 18 degree. First of all, you have to convert both as cos. So cos 18 degree minus sin 18 degree can be written as sin 90 degree minus 72 degree. And we know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, so it becomes cos 72 degree. Now it takes the form of cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D, and the formula was 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine D minus C by 2. This is the formula of cos C minus D, which I am going to apply here. So it will be 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine D minus C by 2. Very easily, it is 90 by 2, so 45 degree, and this is 54 degree by 2, so 27 degree. Now sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so root 2 cancel this 2, and the result will be root 2 sine 27 degree. So in this class you have seen some very simple examples based upon the formulas of compound angles. In next video I will discuss some more difficult problems based upon compound angles. So don't forget to watch my next video based upon problems on compound angles. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video, and also I request all of the students to please write your problem and your comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching today's video.